3-year-olds and day 5. You can eat your old too, otherwise shout it out. Jumping, leaping, yes, good. What are the other thoughts? Leaping development third fast. Smart tonight here, I think you guys covered it. Sometimes it's the speed and power, or their curiosity or intelligence, or even their amazing acrobatics. Now, whatever it is that fascinates you about dolphins, we are quite amazed by it as well. And we have our marine mammal training team here, the dynamic duo. We have Anna and Charlotte making their way here down the dock. But I'm sure you'd like to get your photos of the dolphins. Is that right? Well, there you are. There's the oldest of the 2 females. This is Helen. She is her mid-20s. Pretty remarkable. And then the youngest of the dolphins, this is Kim. She is our teen dolphin here. Now, after I point